As an internationally recognized leader in the field, how excited are you to have the Artas robot system for your clients?
I'm extremely excited. It's interesting what the evolution of hair transplantation has been, and we've been a part of it as it's evolved from plugs that looked very unnatural and scared people, quite frankly, that left very deforming scars from the donor sites and very deforming scars where the plugs were placed. We subsequently evolved into using follicular units. So small follicles, 1, 2, and 3 follicle units were transplanted. But we still had the strip scar, and that was unsightly potentially and could be quite giveaway that somebody has had a hair transplant in addition to looking unsightly and not allowing people to wear their hair short. So we've evolved into follicular unit harvesting. And some of those systems work fairly well, but nothing works like this does. This is more efficient. It gives us in addition to that, it gives us the opportunity to be able to show people what the number of grafts that we're planning on transplanting will actually look like, so that people have their expectations set up realistically and we can meet them. It's really a huge evolution in terms of efficacy of harvesting, and then soon to be efficacy of insertion and giving people a more realistic potential of what kind of result they can expect.
Okay. After 25 years of experience, do you feel this is the safest and most advanced system in hair restoration industry?
It by far is the safest in every way. There really is practically no downside to it. The only key thing is that we have to make sure, as with any transplant, that the patient has enough donor site. And typically the harvesting is all done from the back of the scalp, and grafts can be placed really anywhere. So a lot of people don't realize that the grafts don't just have to be put on the scalp, but it can be put on sideburns, it can be put on eyebrows, eyelashes, beards, mustaches, so any place where somebody is lacking in hair. But for sure, it's safe and accurate and realistic.
Dr. Stein, I understand clients are coming to you from all over the world to your center, the Hair Restoration Specialists.
We've been fortunate that we've developed a reputation that's grown internationally. Hair replacement is something that has no national boundaries, and we've developed a reputation for doing a fantastic job, and so people are certainly willing to come a long distance to have the procedure done. One of the great things about it is that it's very low maintenance in the post-op care, so people can fly in and potentially fly out within a day or two, and so there's no reason to not go to the best.
What would you say is the average age of people coming to you for hair restoration?
The average age is between 25 and 55. Those are the typical ages when people start to realize that they're missing hair, and the older people, it's become more of a financial feasibility for them. Certainly this is affordable, but for any age, it's just dependent upon how many transplants that the patient needs, but it could be done as young as somebody needs to, as soon as they start realizing that they have a lack of hair. And it could be done as old as the patient can, at any age, as long as they have enough donor site.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.